How to say you in Japanese, second person pronouns explained. Hi everyone, today we'll look at the many different ways to say you in Japanese. In English, there's just one word, but in Japanese, there are so many, each with a different nuance. Let's go through them one by one. First, here's something important to know. Japanese people usually don't use pronouns in daily conversation. Instead, they often call someone by their name plus honorifics like san, kun, or chan. But when pronouns are used, they clearly show the relationship, hierarchy, and emotions between speaker and listener.
ANATA.
The most common word is ANATA. It means you in English, and it sounds polite and neutral. However, in casual daily conversation, it can feel a little distant. Interestingly, wives often use ANATA to mean darling or honey.
あなた様.
ANATA-sama is a very polite version. It's used for customers or highly respected people. In English, it's simply you, but with an extra level of respect.
君.
Next, kimi. This is a soft and gentle word. Teachers might use it with students, or friends and lovers might use it too. In romantic situations, it can sound like dear or sweetheart.
omae.
Omi is casual and often used among close friends or couples. But depending on the tone, it can also sound rough or even rude. So be careful when using it.
anta.
Anta changes nuance depending on the region. In standard Japanese, it may sound harsh. But in Kansai, especially in Osaka, it's just a normal way of saying you.
お主、そち、そなた.
Onushi and sonata are old-fashioned expressions. They're often used in samurai dramas or historical settings, but rarely in modern daily life.
貴様、てめえ、己.
Words like kasama, kimi, and honor used to be polite in the past, especially kasama. But today, they're considered rough and are often heard in fights or heated arguments. In English, they could be like saying, you bastard.
あんさん.
In Kansai, you might also hear ansan. It has a mix of politeness and casualness, and sometimes gives a character-like or old-fashioned feeling.
貴殿.
Kiden is not used in daily conversation. You'll see it in formal letters or business documents, where it's a very polite written form of you. To summarize, in English, all of these words simply mean you. But in Japanese, each one carries different nuances, showing status, intimacy, or even aggression. So when you study Japanese, pay attention to context and relationships before choosing which word to use.